Hello, and welcome to this latest update of the LMS 10,000 project. Thanks to the amazing generosity of our donors, we've been able to secure the necessary funding for the purchase of these two EM2 bogies. Over the coming months, they'll be stripped down for a full inspection, following which the refurbishment work will commence. We'd like to thank the EM2 Locomotive Society who were able to sell them to us, as building brand new bogies would have been much more expensive than restoring the existing ones and strengthening them to take the weight of a diesel locomotive. However, our work and fundraising has only just started. We still need to transform the Class 58 into a chassis that will form the foundation of 10,000. Both 10,000 and Class 58 were designed at Derby. Both have a structural chassis rather than monocoque body, and the distance between bogie centres are almost identically the same distance apart on each design. This may be part of the reason that we've found the 58 chassis to be the perfect blank canvas on which to build 10,000. As we remove the various items from the 58 that will not be required, we will make them available for sale. There will be also some Class 77 souvenirs coming up, so look out for news on this through the coming year. Building 10,000 is a colossal undertaking with many engineering challenges to climb. Over the last 8 years, we've undertaken many thousands of hours of preparatory planning and design work, all of which goes unseen. We are currently preparing engineering plans, one of which will come to fruition, depending upon the quality of components in 58022 and which components we manage to acquire over the next year or so. However, the research and work we have done so far confirms it's all achievable. In the past year, we have made some great progress. We have acquired numerous items of 10,000 memorabilia for eventual display, developed a detailed CAD model of the bogies and chassis to enable a professional engineering assessment and stress analysis to be undertaken, launched a promo video about the project, filmed an interview with the commissioning engineer for 10,000, Stan Fletcher, purchased new casting patterns to allow us to create a limited run of works plates for 10,000 and 10,001 that will be made available for sale. Secured the loan of an original bogie bearing cover from which to cast 12 new ones. And of course, purchased the bogies that will enable us to turn 10,000 into a rolling chassis. Our biggest challenge is fundraising. To help with this, and with the support of our president, Stan Fletcher, we are launching the President's Centenary Appeal. The aim is to raise £100,000 before Stan's 100th birthday in March 2020. With this money, we will be able to purchase the many components required from classes 20 and 37. This will be the key to unlock real progress on the building of 10,000. So to help with this, we'll be launching a number of initiatives throughout the coming year, including setting up the Cocoa Club Lottery, running a raffle with some excellent prizes up for grabs, such as double O-gauge models of 10,000, Derby branch events, taking our information stall to various railway events to increase awareness of the project, and building relationships with key contacts in the rail industry to help us with parts, engineering expertise and sponsorship. We believe that building 10,000 will leave a lasting legacy to Britain's first mainline diesel locomotive for people to learn about and enjoy. If you would like to be a part of this project, then please get in touch with us. We would be only too glad to hear from you. Thank you. Let's fill the void in Britain's railway history.